Hello guys, this is Juan from Sunjanoy. So today I'm gonna introduce you on a laminator, all-in-one laminator A3 to show you guys how to laminate this iPhone screen. So this is the first step. We're gonna use this hot plate. We're gonna take off the frame and also take off the glass. And the second machine, so this is also we recommend. This is the machine we use it for removing the polarizer, and there is a suction pump inside of this machine, and this one works very well. And the third one, this is the last one because this is economical. It's an economical set. So this is the laminator all-in-one. So now we're gonna teach you guys how to, or let you guys say how to use this machine. There are different languages: Chinese, English, Portuguese, Espanol, Francés, Ruski, Deutsch. So this is the English. You can check lamination, deforming, automatic. So because my technician, he doesn't understand the English, that's why he has to use Chinese. This is touch panel to teach you guys. So now this is the parameter. The first one is temperature. The second one is lamination and debubble. So this one you don't have to touch, you don't have to adjust. So normally we have all these parameters already pre-installed. You don't even have to touch it. So this is the valve. You can adjust the pressure. This is the laminating pressure. You can adjust on this button, this valve. Because this one is all-in-one, is very easy, so there are not much things to explain. Now we have the glass with polarizer, with the polarizer, and we have a screen already. We clean it. You have to use a mold because you have to do the alignment. You have to use a sticker to stick a little bit. The flex. Now you put the screen on the mold. Mold. Because this mold there are for iPhone 5 and from iPhone 5 to iPhone 8. Because this is you have to buy this apart. Now you clean the dust on it. You clean the dust. Because when you do this, you have to be very patient. Very patient to clean all the dust on it. Make sure everything's clean. Now you take off. You take off the film on it. Okay. Now you just put the screen, the glass. The glass with polarizer on it. Okay. Press a little bit. Press a little bit in the middle. Just a little bit in the middle. Yeah, that's it. We already have the mat, this black magic mat inside. So make sure the frame is against this mat. Okay, put on it. Because this gate is automatic. This is automatic. You just press automatic. It will comes. It will close it automatically. You don't need to use your hand, just like before. You have to use you don't have to use your hand. It's just automatic. You can hear like noisy. It's kind of like a little bit loud. So this is because this is our automatic gates. So it was like a locking. So that's why that's the noisy all about. Laminating, lamination process we put for 20 seconds. Now let's wait. This machine actually, this is an economic solution. So economic solution. if you don't want to buy, actually we suggest the 3 pieces. The one is hot plate, another one is for removing the polarizer, and also you can use it for the like a hot plate. But you can just buy the one removing the polarizer and also the all-in-one laminator. You can just buy 2 pieces. But if you want to more convenient, I suggest you buy the hot plate as well. In this case, you can have like you can use the hot plate just for separating the taking off the frame and also the taking off the glass. The second one, you can use it as to removing the polarizer, and also you can use it as a backup. The last machine we suggest that laminator. Of course you need it. This one is all-in-one, so you don't have to buy a bubble remover, you don't have to buy a compressor, you don't need to buy a the vacuum pump. You don't need it. But this one I only suggest for iPhone and also the other flat screen. I don't suggest for Edge. Nothing Edge, just flat screen. You are happy with if you do with iPhone with this one, or with any flat screens with this one, but you won't be happy doing Edge or any other OLED, the Edge one, curved one with this machine. So please be aware.